Hey everybody, it's Dean DaCosta, the Search Authority, and today we're going to talk about a new updated ability that the great Zapinfo has. This one here is one designed to help make your life easier insofar as it'll help you match the candidates you're looking at and have with a particular job. So in this case, I decided to come on to this particular site. We're looking at a Java developer for a shelter insurance, which is fine. And I'm going to come up to Zapinfo and I'm going to go ahead and extract from the page. And what I want to do is extract this specific thing. So it's already done. So we're going to go into records. We're going to check it out and make sure there's some good stuff in here. We're not missing a description, country, qualifications, skills. So this thing didn't come through the way we want, which is fine. So what we're going to do is go ahead and go to our next place, which is what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and look at a developer. In this case, a Java developer named Mark Jones. We're going to go ahead, come up here, and we're going to extract from the page here. And we're going to go ahead and wait until it's done. And now that we have it, we're going to basically decide what we're going to do. And we're going to go ahead and compare it to job. Now, the first thing we're going to notice is there's a problem. That means there's no skills listed. For whatever reason, the skills that the job wanted didn't get removed. So let's look at the skills we're looking at. We're looking at Java, Git, and JIRA. We'll use those three things. So we're going to come back here to where we did this, and we're going to add Java to the job, not to the candidate, but to the job. And we're going to add that. Then we're going to add JIRA again to the job, not to the candidate, add. And then we're going to add Git again, not to the job. Excuse me, not to the candidate, but to the job, add. And what we learn is this particular candidate is a 66% match, Git and Java. But what's really cool is now that we have this all done this way, we're going to be able to do it from this point on. Now, in a lot of job descriptions, it's going to be a little bit clearer than this. In this case, it wasn't because it was spread out like this instead of in a nice list, which is what we would hope. And in this case, the tool would have picked it up a lot easier. But in this case, we're good. So let's play this game. Let's get rid of this now, and let's go back and close this person and try to find another developer. Let's go to Allison Clark, and this is where we're going to really know what we're doing here. We're going to go ahead and grab Allison from the page, extract from the page, and we're going to open it up, and we're going to look at it. And what we're going to do is we're going to compare it to the job. Let's see. She's a 39% match. Good to know. Close. Now let's view our records. View all our records, and we got this. We got two candidates and the job. And what's really cool about this is you can download this entire list of CSV, so you now know every candidate and everything. Like right now, I know I can remove Alice Clark. She's just not a high enough candidate for the job that I'm looking at doing. I just need higher than that, and so as a result, won't work. So if I go into view and edit for the clip, I can go in to look at all this stuff here. I can do all sorts of stuff. Over here, I got more, which is where I can match to a job. I've only got one job, 66% match. Yay! Now, keep in mind, I could have had others. That's just the job I'm comparing to. So you can compare to multiple jobs in here. So that's what's really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and try to grab another person, see if we can get somebody else that might do a better job of matching. Let's try Corinna Minor. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. All sorts of neat stuff. See, one of the reasons why it's not always matching is because they don't always have these skills listings. But let's see how this one works. We're going to go ahead and zap in from a page, let it do its thing, and give it another second or two, and we're going to see what it actually does with this one. Okay, we're going to compare the job. Let's see. 33% match. Why? They only have Java. They don't list Git or Jira. So another candidate, not going to worry about. So what I'm going to probably do is take candidate, and then just start comparing, remove the ones I don't like, keep the ones I like, and by the time I'm done, I'm going to have a list of people that fit exactly what I want. Really cool, really simple, really easy, really like it, and definitely a good addition. Now I'm going to be recommending some changes to it to make it even better, but overall, this is a really good tool and a really good first step. And here's the other thing. You have a job, you can upload a list of candidates you already have to it to see which one matches. That's another thing to consider. So there you go. Really simple, really cool little tool. My name is Dean DaCosta of the Search Authority. This was Zapinfo's matching candidate and job matching capabilities. May the source be with you.